Hi there. This week's candle just started and Casper is down by about 3%. Let's take a look at it through the Wyckoff lens and see what the whales are doing. If you're new to my session, I'll cover the Wyckoff stage, trend change potential, as well as T price levels. These are education content only, not financial advice. So, weekly chart of Casper. It's currently showing us that it's trying to stabilize around this current all-time low level of 0.003. So if I draw a line over here, and another line over here, those are the short-term support and resistance. So the lower one being the support itself, that's around 0.003 I mentioned. The resistance is 0.0042. That's set by the previous trading activities just in January. So that's why we're seeing range-bound activity for the past 3 weeks. All right, we are 4 weeks into this range. The test of paper hands, diamond hands is continuing. Like I said, the whales are going to shake out people until the point that the true diamond hands remain. No matter what, they're not going to sell. Previously, when the times are good, then a lot of people may claim they're diamond hands, but in these kind of times, that proves how much diamond hands are actually there. Okay, or are some people actually being distracted and basically took their capital and put it somewhere else, may it be gold, silver, predictive market, whatever they think they can get a better return. So this big picture, what we need to see in order to confirm that people are willing to come back to Casper or altcoin is basically for the price to come back to once again challenge the green key level or even the light blue key level of 0.0235 or 0.03. All right, that's where the previous automatic rally and the last sign of strength happened. Okay, and one important thing over here, even if we see a bunch of white candlesticks, may it be a couple of medium-sized ones or a few massive ones, combined with higher than average volume, much like what happened back in April last year, the whales sometimes will make a very deep price retracement before they let the price shoot to the moon. Okay? Sometimes the retracement may be a little bit more mild, but sometimes it can go deeper than the previous panic over stage, this selling climax over here. So be cautious. Like always, set the safeguard for yourself. Don't let it go up and then, you don't set a stop loss and let it free fall back to where we are in the past couple of months. Okay, so just some early ideas to share with you before that happens. So, big picture set, daily chart, what it is showing us. Look at here with the couple of dates that we've marked for a few weeks already. Obviously, the 3rd has gone, the 12th, you can clearly see the bulls attempted to go break the ceiling, but they failed. Now, we're getting close to this March 11th date. Okay, are there any intermediate levels set in the past 14 days? Yes, there are. Besides those 2 yellow lines that I've just drawn in the beginning, there's a level right at this point. You can see at this point 0.0035, today the price got rejected from that level. The previous 2 days, it has been trying to stay above. And on last Friday, the price just got rejected back to right below this level. This is actually also the level with frequent open and close back in the beginning of the month. All right, so if the price managed to able to get to the upper triangle within this bigger triangle. Okay, if the bulls are able to leverage the coming economic data, if it means something good for crypto or altcoins, by the 27th of Feb, there's an opportunity for them to confirm that this downtrend is finally over. You see the ceiling of the downtrend. So if I zoom out, you can see the downtrend actually started back in May or even earlier. Yeah, mid-May, I would say. That's a fair measurement from that point. Okay? This downtrend, in order for the confirmation to come, it depends on what's going to happen in the next few days. Okay, if it fails and drops back to below this 10035 line that we've just drawn, then by the first 10 days of March, we'll get another opportunity, provided it doesn't break this yellow dashed line that we draw in the beginning. Okay, so it's going to be very key. It all depends on how people are reading the news or reacting to the news. This paper hands, diamond hands test is really testing who are the true diamond hands. Okay, if you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier than the others, join the channel membership now. Here's another video for you. Thank you.